Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited has acquired the SportsMax infrastructure. The acquisition comes months after sports broadcast giants SportsMax shut down its operations. More in this report.
Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment, operators of Caymanas Park, says it will be bringing its broadcast and production operations in-house. This follows the cessation of operations by SportsMax, which had provided third-party broadcast services to the entity since 2018. In a statement, the company said the decision came after a review of options following the wind-up of SportsMax's operations. The group ultimately concluded that assuming responsibility internally was the most prudent and strategic path forward. As part of the transition, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment will acquire broadcast equipment and employ key members of the former SportsMax production team to ensure continuity. Executive Chairman of Caymanas Park, Solomon Sharp, said the move aligns with the company's long-term strategy to build a more efficient, flexible and sustainable operation. Mr. Sharp says this decision not only delivers meaningful cost savings, but also strengthens their ability to control quality and innovate in how they present the sport to a global audience. To shift to an in-house broadcast and production model is expected to result in improved operational control and flexibility, with projected cost savings of approximately 25%. The company also noted that the new structure creates opportunities to expand production services and develop additional revenue streams. Mr. Sharp says that integrating production into the core operations will allow the company to respond more quickly to changing needs, improve efficiency, and unlock new commercial opportunities. The move also supports Supreme Ventures Group's broader ambition to expand its production capabilities, enhance content delivery, and drive long-term growth. Since becoming the sole promoter of horse racing in 2017 through the lease of the Caymanas Park property, the group has focused on introducing global best practices in racing operations. Over the past 8 years, it has prioritized operational efficiency, transforming the management of the park to ensure sustainability. The chairman described the in-house production model as another milestone in the evolution of Caymanas Park, saying it builds on the progress made to date and positions the venue for improved performance going forward.